Hello students, today we will start our lecture as objectives of management. Objectives means objectives are those endpoints for the attainment of which all the activities are undertaken. So objectives, you can say that the goal or the endpoints for which all activity has to be done. So management has three objectives: organizational objectives, social objectives, personal objectives. First of all, organizational objectives. When the word organization, that means it must be related to the organization. The main objective of any organization should be to utilize human and material resources to the maximum possible advantage. That is, to fulfill the economic objective of a business. So all organization wants to earn maximum profit. If there is a amount of profit, then only they will be able to survive. Then only they will be able to grow. If profit is not there, then they will not be able to first of all survive, and without that there is no growth. So the main objective of all organization is to utilize. What to utilize? Their human. Human, that means the people of their organization. People of the organization are the assets of the organization. So the people as well as the material resources. What are the other resources? Raw materials, semi-finished goods, like that. So all material resources to the maximum possible advantage. So three things come in organizational objectives. First one is the survival. Every organization, whenever they start their business, they want to survive for longer period of time. No organization will run for 1 or 2 years. They want that whatever they have set up, it should be for longer period of time. So survival is the first essential need of any organization. Once they are able to survive, next comes they want that now their business has started from last 2-3 years. Now they want that they should earn enough profit, which is required for their survival as well as for their future prospects. Next comes growth. If the business survive, they have earned enough profit, then they will think about the growth. How they will come to know that their organization is growing or not? By seeing the number of employees. In the beginning, it must be 2 or 3 employees or 4 employees are there when the business starts. Sometimes one person starts the business, and slowly and gradually it increases. When we will see that the number of employees are increasing in the organization. That means that particular organization is growing. Or if we are saying that they have one unit, for example, in Lajpat Nagar, they have started another unit, say example in Kalkaji, and they are going to start in future one more unit in some other area. So they are increasing, their work is increasing. So we can say that organization is growing by if the number of employees increases or their branches are increasing. So we can say that organization is growing. So three essential things of organizational objective. One is the survival, another one is the profit, next comes growth of the organization. Clear to all of you? Next comes personal objectives. Personal objectives of management are concerned with satisfying the diverse needs of the employees. All employees have their different needs. What are the needs? They have financial needs, they have social needs, they have higher level needs, yeah, development. First one is the financial need. All employees want fair remuneration. They want that they should get regular salary and perks. That is financial need of the organization. Next comes social needs. Social needs, that means the person, those who are working in the organization, they want that people should get recognized them. Their friend, their colleagues should recognize, yeah, this he's the one who work as so and so, work as a supervisor, work as a manager. So they want that they should get recognized in the organization. Higher level needs, personal growth and development. Those who are working in the organization, they want their growth as a person and they want their overall development. So management has to reconcile personal goals with organizational objectives for harmony in the organization. So all these needs of the employees are to be merged with organizational objectives. Then only they will be able to survive. Clear? Next comes social objective. Social objective, that means social means related to the society. All organization should do something for the welfare of the society. It involves employment opportunities, safe environment, living standards. Employment opportunity, that means they should generate employment for the welfare of the society. Safe environment, they should not uh, throw garbage in the river. There should be proper tree plantation for the welfare of the society. And by giving proper remuneration to their employees, they are able to increase the living standard of the people of the society. So these are the three objectives of management: organizational objective related with the organization, social objective related to the society, personal objective related with each and every employee of the organization, and whatever the personal objective of the employee should be merged with the organizational objective. Hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.